You are attending computer coding class.
Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to resize an image so that it can fit in a Tkinter label. Here I am using PIL library package for image processing. Let's start coding. Here I am using Anaconda Spider as an editor. I have already installed all the library packages. First of all, we will import Tkinter library as a TK. Here TK is a label for Tkinter. Next, we will import image and image TK classes from PIL library package. Next, we will create frame for our project. The name of frame is root and here we are using TK function. Next, we will set the title of our frame, that is resize and fit an image. Next, we will set the geometry of our frame, that is 700. Here 700 is the width and 500 is the height of our frame. Next, we will set the background color of our frame by using configure function. Here we will write bg equal to cyan. Here cyan is a color. We have created the frame. Now we will place a label on this frame by using function label. Next, we will set the properties of our label. First, background color, that is magenta. Next, we will set the width and height of our label. Next component which I will place is button. The name of button is also button. Now I will set the properties of button. After creating two components, now we will place both the component on the frame by using pack manager. Here paid y equal to 30 means in y coordinate we will leave some place, that is 30 centimeter. Then we will place our label and button. Next, we will write command root.main loop that will run our program. This is the frame with a label and a button. Next, we will place an image on the label. So first of all, we will open image by using function image.open. Here I am not specifying any path of image because image and our source code file both are placing in the same folder. This is the small image which I will open. The name of image is mail.jpg. You can also open PNG images. This image is saved in a variable photo. Next, we will place this image in a container by using function photo image. The name of container is img. Next, we will display this image on label. So first of all, we will have to set a parameter image equal to container img. I am also increasing the size of label so that we can place our image on the label. In the next line, we will write label dot image equal to container img. Now run the program. You can see a small image in a label. The size of label is more than our image. Here image must be resized so that it can fit in a label. Next we will learn how to resize and fit image as per the size of our label. To achieve this goal, we will create a user defined function. The name of function is fit. In function body, we are declaring photo as a global variable so that we do not have to reopen image directly. We can use photo variable here. Next we are calculating the width and height of our label and save that width and height in two variables, width and height. Next we will resize our image. Here I am using function photo.resize. In this function we will specify width and height of our image as per the size of our label. It means the size of label and our image will be same after resizing, so that we can fit our image on label. Next parameter is image.anti-alias. Anti-alias means we are deleting the border of our image so that we can increase the size of our image. Resize function return a new image with new size. We save that new image in a variable named img. Now we will place new image in a container by using photo image function. The name of container is img1. Next we will update the image of our label by using configure function, label.configure. Then in bracket we will set the new image equal to image1. Here image1 is a container that holds our new resized image. Again we will write label.image equal to img1. We have created our function. Now we will connect fit function with our button by using parameter command. Command equal to function name means fit, and then run the program. Actually the size of image is less than the label, but when we click the button it just resize and fit on the label as per the size of label. In next example, we are using a big image. The size of image is more than our label size. So here we will learn how to fit a big image in a small label. So we just open new image krishna.jpg and run the program. This image is very big, so only a portion can be shown. When we click fit button, the whole image is displayed on the label. Now I am closing my tutorial for today. Thank you.